Hello everyone, welcome to Hidden Collections. Today is a great Saturday because we are going to go through the Charizard V Max, the Japanese deck box thing of something. Probably should have a little bit more knowledge on it, but I actually was able to finally get one in. I actually ordered two, but with everything that happened in the world, all shipping stopped coming from, Japan and everything. So I might get those someday, maybe not, hopefully. But I was able to find one off another source, paid probably about the same for it. I hope that looks like factory tape. I'm just looking at it. Looks like factory tape. I'm opening up this one. I might save the others. This box isn't in the best condition, so, but this one was coming out with it had, I believe it had Rebel Clash, would have had like the Rebel Clash cards coming out. It's been a while since this is announced, so let's get into it. Let's get this. So put that down. Let's get it opened. So I hope that this is gonna still be like the same card set. It's probably gonna be, it's just all by itself. This is the light texture on it. There's the Charizard. V Max. Let's get it into a sleeve before. Alright. Before we get that up, then you get the Charizard coin. There, it feels smaller than, yeah. It's a little bit smaller than the coins that you get here. Let's pull it out. Then you get the deck. I believe it has 2 Charizard V's in it, so. Alright, and so went through the deck, everything had a pause, so it's gonna look weird. And then we get the bag of stuff with the playmat. With it, that's just a, if I hold it up right, info card of some sorts, rules on how to play. I'm not gonna get into all of it. The nice damage counters, poison and burn on there too. It's cool. And then you get the big playmat. I only can imagine you can think it's like all the way over. It's a giant Charizard. So we get this stuff out of here, then we'll get into the deck, and then we're gonna open some packs. So don't worry about that. Let's get the big Charizard up there. Trust me, we have some packs. We're gonna try to add some Charizards in there, up into the pile with the other Charizards that we're getting. So you get the Charizard V and another Charizard V, so you get 2 Victinis, Zygarde. So just going through Tauros. I haven't seen this one yet, so I mean, some of these cards might be for later. Quick Ball, Evolution, Rotom, something rare candy. So switch, reset stamp, Cynthia. So 2 professors, Poke Kid, I believe. That's the new. Is it hot? Is it hop? I should know, but that's it. I know that's a draw 3 cards. That's Milo. I think just energies after that. So there's some cards that haven't been seen yet. Some have. So put those aside. just enough red sleeves left for these ones. There. Alright, so we got some packs that got some Charizards in them. We got some Evolutions, Cosmic Eclipse, some Unbroken Bonds, and some Burning Shadows. Seeing that Charmander looks like a good sign to me. Hopefully. Oh, no Charmeleon. But there's a Charmander. Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Diglett, and Farfetch'd. So, yeah, I was really, like, on the fence. It's like, do I want to get it? I'm like, okay, let's get it. So, hopefully it's going to be the same art that comes out in the Darkness Ablaze. So, hopefully, that'd be really fun. Interesting. So, and boom, Lily's full force. Lily. So, starting off with a full art trainer to add up there. So, then 2 packs for adding stuff up there. So, hopefully, can continue to do that. But yeah, it's just what am I trying to say about Charizards? Because there's a Charizard thing. You know, Charizard theme day. The fact that, I mean, a lot of, what am I trying to say? That a lot of the Charizards are going up in price. Krabby and Spiritomb. Going up, the Burning Shadows ones, what, 400 to 500. Unbroken Bonds, I don't think it's still in the one. I know it's over 100, like 150 or so, 200, and then Charizard breaks in, you know, hit 150. I think the reason why that one went is because someone or people started buying them out for the Charizard breaks in, because it was like $30-$40 for the longest time. 50 Rotom and a Persian. So again with the Charmander. So they're just going up. These products are going up if they're out of print. I think Burning Shadows is out of print. I think Unbroken Bonds might be, maybe, or will be soon. Nidoking and Slowbro EX. Why not? Either get like a Mega Slowbro or Slowbro out of these. Put that up higher. So then in Evolutions, the regular Charizard Holo and the reverse Holo Mega Charizard. No, this is one more. Are all those cards are going up in price. Cosmog, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Harvana, Embor, Slurpluff. So it's like a Charizard frenzy right now. I mean, I think with like PSA graded ones now, with some of these, like the Rainbow Rare, the Burning Shadows Charizard, I think it sold, just was watching someone else or looking at things, and one just sold for, I think, over $2,000. So for PSA 10, I think the Hidden Fates Cartana, Hidden Fates one's going up. It's like $500-$600. I'm not sure what I think PSA's 10s are pushing probably above that 2,000 mark, maybe too. They're just, everything's just going up. Charmander, you know, Stuffle. Don't see, and Machamp GX. So another hit there. I'm gonna bring the Charizards together. So Darkness energy, darkness. So 3. I'd have like pause because it's like you're doing one thing that's different than the other than the with evolution. So like I said, I'll take any Magneton Hollow. And these ones are even, and I almost think, well, this one's off-centered quite a bit, but it's really hard for, yeah, there's a print line right through as I'm blurred. If I hold it, want to show yourself, there it is, right through the bottom of those. I mean, it's hard to get even the hollows graded out of. If someone was trying to do that, do a recent set of PSA 10s. So 4. So I think that's just what this one's all about, kind of Charizard talk. I mean, Steelix and Azatu. So I guess as a comments below, what's your favorite Charizard art? I think that's a good one. Now, what's your favorite out of all the Charizards that have come out? I mean, you can even say some V Max or V Charizards. I mean, I know the original, I mean, like right here in the background is the base set. I mean, that's just the classic one. But I think one that I kind of like a lot is the Charizard EX, the full art one from Flashfire. There we go. That's what I was trying to find. Because it has kind of like this look to it. And I mean, it's just a completely different, not like, it has its, like, it looks like it's, if I remember right, shove its back, maybe I'll try to insert picture. And then be like, yep, that's it. Right there. It's just, its stance is really different than a lot of them, because most of them, I want to say he's flying. I mean, like, these ones, the V Max one, he's kind of just standing there, because, I mean, he's Gigantamax. He's huge. But most of the time he's trying to fly or something. It looks like he's in the air, but it's one that's on the ground, stance on the ground. Porygon. This is all right. 4 packs left. So let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can add a Charizard. Any of them. One, two, three. Oh. Secret rare. The Executor. So Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Staryu, and Mewtwo. That pack did not want to cooperate very well. So, all right, good. It's the one in front. Because I don't know if you can see this common. That's all beat up on this thing. So it's like, please don't be the rare. Mallow, Sandy Gas, Spheal, Cottony, Skip someone, Roulette, Vantrum, Let Curum, and there we go. Charizard and Breaks and GX. So we do get to add a Charizard card to the mix. Awesome. Awesome. So let's leave them up. Machamp, go over, hang out over here with the rest. So can we get the Charizard? Unbroken Bonds. This giant pile of cards right next to me. Rattata, Goldeen, Uramaka, Sandal, Togekiss, and Hypno. Alright. We'll just take it here. The Rainbow Rare Charizard right here in this pack. Hopefully. Or even the regular Ultra Rare. Whew. Some centering issues on those uncommons. Big fat yellow side on this side. Good thing they're cut on different sheets. Pampor, Caterpie, Vileplume, and Skiliopede. So, fortunately, no, didn't get it there, so. But still, wonderful opening. Excited what we got. So we got some holo rares. But like always, thank you everyone for watching, for hitting that thumbs up, for leaving a comment below. Remember, comment favorite Charizard, art, the V cards here, ending it with the Charizard V Max. Like always, thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, have a great day. See you later.